Welcome to Ho Chi Minh City, the bustling heart of Vietnam, where tradition meets modernity in the most vibrant way. This city, often still called Saigon, is a kaleidoscope of culture, history, and energy. As the sun dips below the horizon, the city comes alive with a dazzling display of lights. Viewed from above, the endless streams of traffic create golden rivers flowing through the streets, while skyscrapers and buildings glow like jewels scattered across the landscape. The heartbeat of the city is palpable. Buzzing motorbikes weave their way through the streets. Vibrant lights reflect off the water, and the entire city seems to hum with energy. The soft glow of streetlights and neon signs blends with the quiet serenity of the night sky, creating a harmony unique to this bustling metropolis. From the quiet rooftops to the busy avenues below, Ho Chi Minh City's nightscape is a mesmerizing mix of chaos and calm, motion and stillness. Whether you've been to Vietnam or it's still on your bucket list, this view is a reminder of why Saigon is a city that never sleeps. Like and subscribe to Aussie Traveller for more unforgettable travel moments captured from above.